The transformative power of mindfulness in relationships. A Buddhist perspective. In the intricate dance of human relationships, finding a panacea for all problems may seem elusive. However, rooted in the profound teachings of Buddhism, there exists a simple yet transformative practice that can address the core of relationship challenges. Welcome to a journey of profound wisdom and transformation. In today's video, we unravel the secrets inspired by the teachings of Buddhism, unveiling a path that promises to solve 100% of your relationship problems. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join our community of seekers on this path to mindful connections. Let's embark on this transformative exploration together. It all starts with a click, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Buddhism places a significant emphasis on mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the moment. Applying this principle to relationships involves cultivating awareness, understanding, and compassion for oneself and one's partner. At the heart of Buddhist teachings lies the concept of impermanence, acknowledging that everything is in a constant state of flux. In relationships, embracing impermanence means recognizing that challenges are temporary and that change is inherent to the nature of life. Communication, often touted as the cornerstone of healthy relationships, takes on a deeper meaning when infused with mindfulness. Rather than reacting impulsively, mindful communication encourages thoughtful responses, fostering a deeper connection between partners. Buddhism teaches the importance of non-attachment, emphasizing the need to release clinging to fixed outcomes. Applying this principle in relationships involves letting go of unrealistic expectations, allowing love and understanding to flourish organically. The concept of right view in Buddhism urges individuals to see things as they truly are. In relationships, adopting a clear and unbiased perspective can dissolve misunderstandings, paving the way for mutual growth and harmony. Mindful listening, a key aspect of Buddhist practice, involves being fully present when your partner speaks. By cultivating the art of active listening, couples can build a stronger connection and a more profound understanding of each other.
Gratitude, a central theme in Buddhism, can be a powerful antidote to relationship woes. Regularly expressing appreciation for your partner and the positive aspects of your relationship fosters a sense of contentment and strengthens the bond between you. Buddhist teachings on compassion extend to self-compassion, an often overlooked element in relationships. By treating oneself with kindness and understanding, individuals are better equipped to offer the same to their partners. The practice of mindfulness in relationships involves staying attuned to the present moment, resisting the urge to dwell on past grievances or future anxieties. This approach encourages couples to address issues as they arise, preventing the accumulation of unresolved conflicts. Cultivating patience, another Buddhist virtue, is essential in navigating the complexities of relationships. Recognizing that personal and relational growth takes time allows for a more forgiving and understanding atmosphere. Buddhism teaches that suffering is a part of the human experience. In relationships, acknowledging and embracing the inevitable challenges can lead to personal and collective growth, transforming difficulties into opportunities for learning and connection. By incorporating these principles of mindfulness and compassion into our relationships, we embark on a journey toward greater understanding, harmony, and fulfillment. While no single practice can claim to solve all problems, the wisdom of Buddhism provides a roadmap for navigating the intricate terrain of human connection. In essence, the key to resolving 100% of relationship problems lies in the daily application of mindfulness, compassion, and the profound teachings of Buddhism. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and connection, we find that the transformative power of these practices extends far beyond our relationships, permeating every aspect of our lives. Cultivate the garden of mindful connections and let the seeds of wisdom blossom in your relationships. If you found value in this journey inspired by the profound teachings of Buddhism, don't forget to nourish our channel by hitting that like button. For more insightful content and a continuous exploration of transformative insights, subscribe to our channel and be part of our growing community. Together, let's create a space where wisdom meets relationships. Thanks for watching, And until next time, stay mindful, stay connected, and don't forget to subscribe. Embarking on the journey of mindfulness in relationships is not just a choice, it's a commitment to transformative growth and profound connection. As you apply the timeless wisdom of Buddhism to the intricate tapestry of your relationships, remember that every moment invested in mindful understanding, compassion, and gratitude is a step towards a more harmonious and fulfilling life. The power to transcend challenges lies within you, and the teachings you've explored today offer a guiding light towards a brighter, more mindful future. Embrace this transformative path and witness how the simple yet profound principles of Buddhism can turn ordinary relationships into extraordinary journeys of love, growth, and lasting connection.